Now, Shikha, your turn. Please start, but please don't take so much time. You take 30 seconds for each of the word. If it is goes for before leaving the 30 seconds, no problem. But you start and you try of your own. No problem. There is no barrier. You just go on. Okay? Please tell all of the things. Hello? Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, very good. Yeah, dear, please. Please say loudly so that can be heard. Your sounds are very low, Shikha. No, it's very low. Why I don't know. Now a bit sound is needed. Then also. Yeah, yeah, it's okay now. Again, volume is low. Became. I don't know what happening. I think for this only. You are it today only. Your volume is seeming so low. Yes, you. If the volume is good, then of the by headphone, then you can go on. Saying about all the topics is really very challenging when it is 30 seconds. But if you can say 30 seconds within covering all the topics, that means you are improving, you are progressing. Okay, start. No sound is coming. I think you have started and sound is not coming. Now it's yes, it says come. So yeah, it's perfect now. Please start.
friend like that. And and it is a online institute, and we learn lot of things from this. From this we learn English, how to speak in English like that. There the teachers of it is very frankly and very good, because they talk with us very like a best friend. And and I tell every teacher should be like that, like them teachers. Remember them. And next is next is school bags. Next is school bags. So school bags, in the school bags, we put books and copies. There are many things, and the school bags in very various colors there are in school bags. and and we bought it, and there are and we we put books in it, and then we go at school, because without it we can't, because the weight of books are very high. So through the school bags there are two ribbons like that in the back, and through which we can like we can take that bags. So, and next is home. The home is a very, now if anybody has no home, then he had nothing. If anybody has home, then he had everything, because through a home we can talk up talk some private talk, and we, if we get tired, then we can rest in it. And there is a and there is in my home there is a study table through which we study, and on it, and the home is the most important thing in nowadays, because through a home we get relaxed to our body, and we get sleep. And next is online classes. So online classes is the nowadays online classes is most important classes, because through it we can get comfortably talk with to everyone, because if we sit at the front of them, then we get not we are not confident. If we sit in online classes, then I think we get confident, because online classes is very essential nowadays. And next is time. So we don't have to waste time, because if time gone, then we can't do anything. If we lost the money, then everything we can. If we lost money, then we can earn it back, earn it. But if we lost time, then we can't earn it, because through the time, if we do, if and time is not waited for everyone. Time is not wait for everyone, because time will not wait for everyone. So we don't have to waste more time. We have to study or play in the time. So, and next is next is father. So father is the most important member of our family, because they did a lot of hard work for their family. And father earns money, and they give to our wife, and then we eat food. We eat a lot of food, very tasty food. And father, if there is no father, if their father is there, we have father, then we have everything. If we don't have father, then we have nothing. And next is birthday. So at birthday is like a festival. If birthday is like a festival of every child or any human being, like that. Because on the birthday we get through a birthday we get young and young, and when the birthday comes, then the friends make make mock to our with that your age is get less, so like that. And next is water bottle. So water bottle is a path through which we carry the water, because there are many types of water like copper water bottle and plastic water, but plastic water is not safe for our health. We and there are Milton water, and some some water bottles are there which which keeps the water. If we put the water in it cool, then it takes it get then the water is cool, and if we put hot, then same as water cool. And next is mirror. So mirror is an instrument through which we can see something we can see our face, and mirror is made of a glass, because nowadays there are some beautiful mirrors. There are some beautiful mirrors. No, not beautiful mirrors. Their design of wood is very beautiful. So we attract with mirror because of their design of wood. And through a mirror, we can see our face, our anything we can see. And next is WhatsApp. So next is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is an app through which we can talk to anyone. Through which we did the Zoom, we did the online classes, some video calls, and another voice calls. We we reply to anyone, and we can receive any message to anyone. We can receive a message of everyone. And in a WhatsApp there is a status. So status, if there is a festival, then we upload the photo on status, and everyone saw that. So status, there the WhatsApp is now like a social media. And WhatsApp is not secure, but we cannot say it is not fully secure. Not secure, it is secure. And next is childhood. The childhood memories is the memories of which is attached with our heart. And in the childhood, we did a lot of naughtiness. Some of children did in the childhood. They are very simple, and some of them are very naughty. Very naughty. And childhood part is the most important and essential part of our life. And because when we were child, then we thought when we will happen young, and when we happen young, then we thought कि then yearn that uh, we yearn that we go at past of we go back. It means in the past, like that, ma'am.
Very good, dear. Very good. You spoke 13 minutes 14 seconds, and within 13 minutes 14 seconds, you have completed all the things. I think every topic you have covered within 30 seconds. Is it, Shika?
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Very good.
I'm happy for.
Yes, 34. Okay, no problem, but you are nearer to 30 second. It's really very nice. So, it is a very good idea you have applied, and I will also try to take this idea. When I will be giving you any topic for to say, I will tell you to say within 30 seconds, and 30 seconds, after 30 seconds there will be no word will be allowed. And after that, if I do like this sometimes, then your fluency will grow. Fluency will grow, and it will really good give a very good impact on your speaking speed. Yeah, that is this one also thing I wanted to say. And one thing is that you have said very nicely about English grammar, then father, home, and childhood time. These four things you have said very well, very nicely. Or other things you said very nicely. You have said also many things about all these things, but more things have known that you are really very saying fluently. about the topics I have said about English grammar, home, then father, childhood time. So that's really very good. Okay, Karan, please you want to say something to me? Hello?
Ma'am, you give me project of video. Ma'am, I will send you.
You send me.
Yeah, ma'am. I already sent you.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I will see. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. I will see it later and I will give you the result. Okay, this is the topic you have covered. So, today our test exam is over and we have done very well in the test exam. But one thing is that we can talk very nicely. We can have some words also. We do not stuck in anywhere when speaking in English. But one thing is that we are repeating some words we are repeating again and again. That means like this, if I say for example like this, again we are saying like this, again sometimes we are using again this one like this. That means sometimes we are using one word three times, four times we are using, then only we are going to the next word or next sentence. So we have to work on that, is not it? We have to work on that when we'll be saying something about any topic. So one word will be said, we have to say one word only one time and we should not repeat it. And like this we have to practice. So we shall practice it tomorrow how to do it. And then also after that our speaking, our fluency, our style of speaking, our way of speaking, using words in speaking will be really very improved. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So nice of you. Both of you are really very generous. Very good. You are doing your hard work. I don't know about others, but you are regular students. I am really very getting glad that getting two of you in my sessions. Thank you so much. And one thing is that now I want to listen to your homework. I think I have given some homework here.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please say the
Ma'am,
homework. What was the homework? Please say.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you didn't give us marks
Oh yeah,
of
marks I will
exam for.
give you later when I will be checking videos also, and videos also I will give mark, and extempore speech also I will give you mark. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So please tell me the homework, please.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
give only one sentence.
Yeah, yeah.
It
Please tell
is
me.
that मैम शोर हो रहा है.
Hmm.
In English is it is being noise.
Eating being noise. Yes. And the same I think written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Very nice.